Most of us are used to just throwing our makeup into any old drawer or makeup bag, right?
Yeah, this guy.
This guy over here. So I'm gonna help this guy get some organization back into her life and go from this to this.
So organized.
So organized. And a snap of a finger. Okay, let's see what you got in here.
Oh my God.
Where's your stuff at?
I'm really embarrassed right now.
It's okay, it'll be okay.
I'm like, okay, don't judge me. Don't judge me.
I can't make any promises.
This is my makeup drawer.
This isn't that bad. We got a bag.
Yeah.
We got a Sharpie.
Okay, I like Sharpies.
Okay, we need to take all of this stuff out, probably clean the drawer, and then just throw out products you haven't used in the past 6 months. Are you attached to any of this stuff?
No, not at all. I just keep it. I don't know.
I want it all gone.
I don't want to throw it out. I have a problem with throwing it out.
Well, I don't. I'm just curious. Just let the people know on an everyday basis. What's your routine like? How many products do you reach for?
Probably like a solid 3.
Okay, 3 products.
Yeah.
Got it. So let's talk about the 3 products that you use, because this is way too many products. I know half of these are probably expired. I'm going to show you how to tell when products are expired, and we're just going to declutter. Everything that's old is staying with me, and I'm going to throw it in the garbage. Okay. Everything that's new and you can still use, you're going to keep, and I'm going to show you how to organize it so you just have everything back in track.
I'm nervous.
Feel good?
I feel good, but I'm nervous because
Don't be nervous.
I feel like I'm like one of those hoarders people, but with makeup.
I'm gonna go through this pretty fast, so strap in. Okay, this has a tag on it, like it's brand new, so I know that's new. You can keep that one, I won't open it. I've seen a few of these blushes, and this is an issue that I struggle with too, when products are, there's like a tiny bit left, like what do you do with them?
I don't want to get rid of them.
So
I love that I've never used these little brushes, that's funny.
So if you actually want to keep these, are they the same color?
No.
Well, I was gonna say, if you want to keep these, you can actually crumple them up and put them in a smaller palette so that they don't take as much room, and just repress them. There's tons of videos online on how to do that. But if you wanted, how do you use these? Do you reach for these ever?
I mean, I do use them.
When was the last time you used one of these? That's a no. And the other thing I wanted to say is keeping your makeup in a fabric bag that's not plastic lined is just a breeding ground for bacteria. Like, you have things without lids in here, you have expired makeup, and you have brushes just thrown in. Yeah. So it's just a petri dish basically.
Gross.
So we're gonna get everything out of here, but brushes, we need to put that aside to clean, because I don't even want to ask you how long it was until you
I'm not gonna tell you.
Brushes.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay, mascara. I said I was gonna show you how to tell when things are expired.
Right.
On every cosmetic and beauty product, even moisturizers, etc., there's a little tiny little diagram of an open bottle, and inside it has a number with either month or year. So this one has 6M, which means 6 months. That means when you open this, it's good for 6 months.
It's definitely longer than 6 months.
Right. And mascara is something you don't want to play with. If it's old, you're going to get eye infections, something crazy like that. I think I just kind of want to...
Oh my gosh. This is going to be scary.
It won't even come out.
Hold on.
Yeah. It's like on Halloween when you empty all your candy out.
That feels good.
Okay.
Empty.
I'm gonna go through this without asking you and figure out what I think needs to be thrown out. Are you ready?
Oh, can I keep the Sharpie?
Yeah, you can put the Sharpie in the office. Okay.
Ding ding.
Palettes, obviously you can keep.
I use like 2 shades.
Pretty good condition. It's okay, you can still have palettes, girl. You don't have to use them all. This is another palette in good condition.
Don't know how to use that. I bought that. And I don't know how to use it.
I'll teach you how to use it one day. Did you know I have a contouring 101 video on our channel?
I did, Maxine. Should I go to it?
The other thing, if you haven't used products for a long time, you can actually just clean them. You can take rubbing alcohol and disinfect them.
Oh, I didn't know that.
If the top layer is, you know, if you're just curious, if you're like, I don't know. Oh.
No, that needed to be popped.
Okay.
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 That's good. Okay, I didn't know that.
Is this the primer you use? Because it's feeling really empty.
Yeah, it's like, it's low. I've been scrounging.
How long have you had it for?
I don't know.
Less than a year?
Maybe.
How long have you had it for?
I don't know. It should probably just go.
Another primer. This one seems full.
Oh yeah.
That seems new.
I didn't know I had this.
You can keep that one. You're gonna use that one.
Okay.
This is a good beauty cream. I have this one too.
Oh, do you?
Have you used this?
No.
Okay. This is also a year, so you have time for that one.
Okay.
Old mascara.
Yeah.
Old mascara. Old mascara. There's more in here. I know it. Okay, MAC cover up. This is good stuff.
Yeah, it is.
You're gonna keep that.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good. You should keep this one though.
Oh my god. See?
This is the empty version.
You know what? We're not going to throw this out because you can actually bring this back to MAC. If you guys don't know about the Back to MAC program, if you collect 5 MAC products that are old, you bring them in, you get a free lipstick or an eyeshadow.
Oh, sweet.
So keep that because you have a few MAC products, which is shocking. Not shocking, just maybe a little surprising.
Yeah. It's surprising too.
So something like this is something that you probably reach for, right?
I use literally one color in this entire palette.
Okay, we're still gonna keep it because it's pretty and I'm so happy you have a MAC product.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, this is still, you should still keep this. This is still a nice, maybe a Christmassy red. Again, let's see, do you know when you bought this?
No, a while ago. I don't know.
You ripped the tag off, so I can't
did?
tell. But something with lipsticks that Dani Houston actually taught me is if you want to disinfect this, you can also take rubbing alcohol and wipe it down.
Oh.
Or you can cut the top off.
Cool.
Products like this concern me just because it doesn't stay closed.
I know.
And I just feel like there's tons of bacteria on it now.
I didn't buy that a long time ago. Like, I've had that for a very short amount of time. But with that said,
if you use it, you can. I would just say you need to clean it.
Okay, I will clean it.
Are you gonna clean it?
If you show me.
Okay, this is a good product because I own one as well.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna keep this one just because it's a nice color on you.
Okay.
So what we have left here, this is a good brush.
Yes, it is.
And it was just stuck to whatever the heck this was. So we're gonna make sure.
I like that brush.
It's a really good one.
What would you use this brush for?
So this is a synthetic brush from MAC. It's really good for creams. I use it for concealer, especially like under my brow to clean up.
I'll tell you what I use it for then.
What do you use it for? Like foundation?
No.
Eyeshadow, obviously.
No.
Lips? What? Eyebrows?
No.
What? Eyeliner?
No. I use it with my highlighter. Yeah.
I actually gotta go. Okay. Don't use that.
I
for a
need
highlighter.
you.
If anything, a brush like this would be better for highlighter because it's wider. Mm-hmm. Anyways, well, that's a whole other topic that we'll get into.
Okay.
So we're down to black eyeliners.
Yes.
And I'm very much the same as you, where I just keep
my God, I have
tons of
so
little
many.
black eyeliners because
I went through a really like bad eyeliner stage. That's how we feel with that. Let's just let it go.
Okay, the final product is a good product that I think you should keep because
I never
you
use
don't
that.
have any face powder.
I don't, and I never use that. I own this and I don't use it.
You need to have powder in your life.
What do I use this for?
To set your makeup. So when you put on a product like this,
Yes.
like a BB cream or a foundation,
Right.
you're gonna, and your concealer,
Yeah.
and then you put the powder over top,
Yeah.
because the rest of your products that you're gonna go into are powder.
Oh.
If you were to put bronzer on top of your wet foundation, it's just gonna look blotchy.
Oh, because I always thought that the bronzer could be considered the powder in the formula of face stuff. No. No. No? Really? Okay, I thought it was always just like a powder, not like the powder.
Nope, definitely not. Just blush everywhere.
Yeah.
No. So
Okay.
you're gonna keep this.
Well, someone told me to buy this, so I bought it.
It's a good powder.
I've never done anything with it.
And the last few things are just some tools.
I don't even use this. Like, I don't even.
You don't use eyelash curlers?
I've had that for so long. Like, I don't even know, like, do you use that before mascara or after the mascara?
You use this before mascara. If you use this after mascara and your lashes are wet, you're gonna crimp, unless they're completely dry, I'd say.
Right.
If they're wet, they're gonna get stuck to the top and just rip out. It's never happened to me, but it's my nightmare.
It's definitely, I tried it once. As you can see, there's like mascara on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a scary event.
Keep that, because it's a necessity.
And I need a tutorial.
Okay, now I'm gonna help you organize all your final products that you've collected
It's
into.
not that much.
No, it's a good, like, you have actually a lot of makeup. I'm surprised. So we're going to organize these into clear containers that you can wash, so they're not gonna keep any bacteria.
Good plan.
When they start getting dirty, you can wash them.
Right.
And yeah, we're gonna bring all this stuff into the bathroom and see how it all fits.
Yay.
There you go. Her makeup is finally organized. I use these small containers that are easy to clean and move around, so when you want to bring your daytime makeup up, you can just grab it, pull it out, and the best thing is, now you finally have a system on how to organize your makeup. Thank you so much for watching. This has been so fun to go through her makeup. I've been wanting to do this for a while. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. We will see you in our next video.
Yay! Thanks, guys.
Bye.